Find the area of the region enclosed by x equals to y squared minus 5 and x equals to 3 minus y squared. So to draw this graph, we're going to express y squared as a subject. As you can see, it will be equals to x plus 5. So this is a parabola graph where we can see parabola graph y squared, it will be open to the left or open to the right. The coefficient x here is positive, means it will be open to the right. Then we're going to find what is their y-intercept. When x equals to 0, y squared will equals to 5, so y will be equals to plus minus square root 5. So another graph here, express y squared as a subject, and then here will be equals to 3 minus x. So as the coefficient x here is negative, means this parabola graph will open to the left. Then we find the y-intersection. When x equals to 0, y squared will equals to 3, so y will be equals to plus minus square root 3. Then we draw out the region. Label our x-axis and y-axis. So for this parabola, open to the left. Intercept square root 5 and negative square root 5. So label our graph here. This is y equals to x squared minus 5. Intersection square root 5, negative square root 5. Then another graph here. Parabola open to the left. Intersect at square root 3, negative square root 3. So square root 3 here is lower than square root 5. So observe our region bounded by these two curves. It will be observed horizontally. This is the area that bounded by these two curves. So we're going to find this area by referring to y-axis. So we have to find out what is our lower limit and upper limit. The function must be in terms of y. Therefore, the next step we have to find is finding the intersection point. So before we start calculate for our intersection point, let our function in terms of y. So this question already expressed in terms of y. This is x equals to 3 minus y squared. The first curve, the second curve, then we substitute and we simplify it. We can notice that our y will be plus minus square root 4, which is equals to 2. So now we managed to find the lower limit, which is negative 2, and upper limit here, positive 2. Then we're going to perform our area formula, integrate for lower limit negative 2, upper limit 2. So in order to calculate the region bounded by two curves without attached to y-axis, we will taking the formula, the right hand side curve minus the left hand side curve. So the right hand side curve here, it is equals to 3 minus x y squared. So in terms of y, x equals to 3 minus y squared minus the left hand side curve here, it will be y squared minus 5. Then we can simplify this function inside. Then we can start integrate, where power plus 1 over new power integrate constant, we can add 8y. And then we substitute upper limit minus lower limit. We can evaluate this answer using calculator. Then put our unit square.